A takeoff I will never forget.
Hi, my name is Leofredis Mosqueda Renteria.
And I'm a Spanish teacher at Corning Holders High School.
Joining Global Teaching Partners has been one of the most rewarding experiences for my personal and professional development. Teaching in the US is a great opportunity to learn more about the American culture closely, their customs and traditions.
Adapting to a new school system and a new environment has been one of the biggest challenges of this experience.
Lesson planning, grading, and testing are quite different, but thanks to the support of great teachers, colleagues, and amazing people, this transition was smooth and successful. I have made new friends from different parts of the world, lived the beauty and the weather of every season, improved my skills, enjoyed new celebrations, school events, and discovered new wonders and places that broadened my perspective. The best part? There's still so much left to learn, explore, and live. Thank you and see you soon.